Here at Dakota Micro, we make custom kits for really cool equipment. We make a custom camera kit for this Bobcat Mini-X with a view so wide, you'll be able to see all your neighbors judging your landscaping skills. If you have a Bobcat Mini-X, you need this camera and cable kit from Dakota Micro. It comes with everything you need to see everything you need to see, and it installs in minutes. It comes with our thinnest camera, the RazerCam, with a 170-degree horizontal field of view, a custom mounting bracket to protect your RazerCam camera, all the mounting hardware, with a 4-pin male connector that plugs into the Bobcat's existing monitor. Once installed, this camera kit looks cleaner than your mom's house right before the company comes over. It has a 1-year warranty, it's completely waterproof, and check out this view. Beautiful and perfect. Just like my barista called me this morning after I gave her a very large tip. With a 170-degree field of view, you can see just about everything to make sure you're safe, and so is everyone else. Backed by Dakota Micro's quality and amazing customer service. If you want to be safe, efficient, and most importantly, impress your friends, you need this RazerCam camera kit for your Bobcat Mini-X. Yahoo! It's hot out here.